Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. Today is card day, so we are doing a fun fold. I believe these are called Z-fold. These are one of my favorite cards to do because it's a really great technique card and very easy to do. So I am going to share one card, but I want to show you how you can do it two ways because I just wanted to make a card for a friend and I wanted to just say hello. So, because it's been a while since I've seen her. It's one of my coworkers I used to work with, and so this is the one I made for that. So instead of opening this way, I did it this way, and I used the Happy Mail in the little envelope, and then this one opens like that, and it just says hello. And then I'll just sign it down here. I think I might write a message up here, or you can even write a message on the back. I've done that before, but yeah, I love these cards. They're so cute, but isn't that cute? This is using the Snailed IT Bundle, and I also used the Snail Mail Designer Series paper for both of these cards, the same bundle, and the Designer Series paper. I love this paper. I bought 2 packs. This is what I have left. It's so stinking cute. You can use the dies on the Designer Series paper. I love it. And you're going to see a little bit of it here today. So the bundle is the Snailed IT, and it has the snail dies that go with it. I'm going to actually share this one with you today, but I am using this little snail here and the hello. The other one I used the You've Got Mail. Oh no, I didn't use that one. I used the same one with the hello and then the Happy Mail. And it does have a little envelope that you can create. I love these little envelopes. I did a slimline card with the envelopes and it turned out really cute. I'll link it somewhere in this video. And it has this little frame. Everything you can cut these little guys out with. It's so cute. If you want it, you better grab it now. All right, I'm just saying. And then I am using this little snail die, and that's for him. So we're going to do this one. And so this one just says hello, and it says you snailed it. I thought this would be cute for like one of my grandkids when they accomplish something. You know, they're all a couple of them are in college, and then one of them's in junior high. So whenever they do something, I thought that'd be super cute for them. But you can do it for any kind of accomplishment. I think it would be really cute. All right, so let's get started with these. These are really easy. So this one does say hello in different languages, this Designer Series paper. And then this heart one, this is all using the same bundle and the same Designer Series paper. I love it. I'm going to miss the Designer Series paper is retiring, and if you want it, grab it really quick because I don't even know at this point if it's still any left, but I should have checked that before the video, but things go so fast on the retiring list. All right, so for this card, you need a piece that is 4 1/4 by 11. I already scored it, and I scored it at 2 3/4 and 5 1/2. We are just going to, I'm going to grab my bone folder really quick. We're going to fold it in half, and then this one you're just folding back. These are really, really great ones, and they're easy to do, but it will impress whoever you give it to. So I am matting the bottom piece, and to mat that bottom piece, you're going to need a piece 5 1/4 by 4. So this is going on here, and then the top part you're going to mat 2 1/2 by 4. So we are going to take this, and I'm going to use some Stampin' Seal, and we are going to attach this piece here. Am I running out of this? Oh, I am. All right, so we're going to attach this piece. And then I'm going to use this one, and we're going to attach this one as well. Hopefully we'll make it through the video with this Stampin' Seal. It's really low. So look how quick that goes. Now to do your top part, you are going to need one piece that is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4. I'm using Bermuda Bay. This is, of course, real red. And then you need 2 pieces that are 3 1/4 or 3 by 4. One is for your top piece, and then one is for your sentiment on the inside. And then, of course, I am going to stamp our little snail right here, and I'm going to use Memento Black. And we'll need to run him through the cut and emboss. I'm going to use my mini cut and emboss for this. Okay, so for this, I used pumpkin pie on this shell, but I was meaning to use the petal pink. So we're going to do it petal pink this time, but I'm using light and dark Pool Party and light and dark Bermuda Bay, and then light and dark Real Red. And as I'm going to go ahead and do it at regular speed, and if you want to speed through it, check out my chapters, because now I am putting chapters in my videos where you can skip the coloring if you'd like to skip the coloring. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this. So I am doing light Real Red for his body. I should be using my other end on this. As I can see, I'm going to start going over the outside the lines. Okay, and then I am going to just use some of the dark. Now that for this, I'm going to kind of shade it a little bit down the edge. I'm using the brush, because this is a really easy way to be able to just kind of do a little bit of a flick technique. And I'm going to also just go on this part, just a little bit of shading, and then we'll go back with the, on the smaller areas, you want to use your smaller end, the bullet end. All right, so now let's do the petal pink. I don't know which is going to look better. The pumpkin pie, the light, was really bright and cheerful. So, but I'm going to use some of the light Flirty Flamingo for just adding some little bit of color in here. All right, just like that, and then we're going to use the light Pool Party for the top, and then I'm going to shade it a little bit with the dark. Again, I'm just going to do that little flicking motion on the bottom, and then again Bermuda Bay for the bottom. And this is the light, actually. I always think this is the dark. And then we're going to do the same thing, a little bit of shading here. And then I like to go over just where the line is. If it creates some kind of a line, just go over that a little bit. And that's going to be it for our little snail. So let's bring up our mini cut and emboss. I love this thing. Oh my gosh. It comes in so handy, especially for something like this. So I'm using 1, 2, and I need my little die for that. And we are going to run this through. Hopefully it's not going to move on me. I didn't grab my purple tape. And that's all we're using it for. That's all we're cutting out on here. And I'm going to grab my top piece that we're going to mat onto our Bermuda Bay. And I am using the Sweet Ice Cream, and I'm using these little like sprinkles. I love these. I use it a lot because they're really cute for, kind of looks like confetti. So I am going to use Real Red, and I'm going to use Bermuda Bay, and we're going to make some little we're putting him on here like this, so we are going to use him as a little bit of a guide. And I am going to go with the real red first, and we are going to do just some little sprinkles there. And then I need to clean this off so I can go to my Bermuda Bay. So I'm going to do some Bermuda Bay here and on the opposite. So I'm doing it kind of on the opposite. So that's going to be our little sprinkles. Isn't it cute? It adds so much to this. And then I am going to grab my Memento Black, and we are going to stamp our hello and our little bubble. So again, and then the hello inside. Isn't that cute? It's so, I love these snails. They're so stinking adorable. If you want to even go faster, you can cut out one of the snails out of the designer series paper. I'm popping him up with some dimensionals. This will be a really quick and easy card, y'all. So we're going to put that there. We're going to mat it to our Bermuda Bay. Again, the Bermuda Bay piece is 3 1/4 by 4 1/4, and this is 3 by 4. And then we are going to just put adhesive on half, and we're going to add him to the front. So don't make sure you only put it to half so it doesn't stick to your inside piece. And I am going to stamp the snailed it on, you snailed it on the inside. And then we are going to put that piece on our inside. And when you put it down, don't press it down right away because you want to make sure it's underneath your top piece. And there you have it. Look how quick and easy, and isn't it so cute? I love this stamp set. This bundle is so adorable. So here's the Happy Mail one, and then here's our other two. So there you go, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you can shop on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. Have a blessed one, everyone, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later. Bye.